Okay, our next award is the Emerging Life Sciences Company of the Year Award, and it is presented by AbCellera. So please join me in welcoming Ann Stevens, Vice President of Corporate Development, who's going to present the award.
Hi, thank you, Wendy, and great to see everybody tonight. I was just thinking it feels like we're at a family reunion here after so long of not seeing everybody. I feel incredibly privileged tonight to be representing AbCellera as the sponsor and past recipient of the Emerging Life Sciences Company of the Year Award. AbCellera has been committed to grow and scale here in Vancouver, carrying out a vision of providing partners with a seamless integration from discovery through to clinic to get new antibody therapies to patients faster. We are proud to be an active contributor to the local life sciences ecosystem as a growing anchor company born and raised here in BC. When you look around this room, every single company is driven by a shared purpose, a desire to make an impact and contribute to human health and well-being. We're all here to make a difference. I've known the recipient of tonight's award since their early days, and it's clear that they share these same values. Their tenacity, conviction, and dedication remain an essential part of their success. The Emerging Life Sciences Company of the Year Award recognizes the life sciences company in British Columbia whose accomplishments stood out with a strong overall performance. This performance may be measured by achieving major milestones, such as moving the business from an early stage to a more mature company, by raising significant funds, launching a product on the market, or achieving or nearing commercial success. I'm proud to announce this year's recipient is Eupraxia Pharmaceuticals. Eupraxia is a Victoria-based clinical stage biotechnology company focused on the development of locally delivered extended-release alternatives to currently approved drugs. Each of Eupraxia's product candidates has the potential to address therapeutic areas with high unmet medical need and strives to provide improved patient benefits by delivering targeted, long-lasting activity with fewer side effects. Eupraxia's lead product candidate is currently in phase 2 development for the treatment of pain due to osteoarthritis of the knee. Eupraxia is also developing a pipeline of earlier stage, long-acting formulations. The potential pipeline candidates include a range of drugs for indications such as post-surgical pain and post-surgical site infections, each designed to improve on the activity and tolerability of approved drugs. Now let's watch our award winners' video describing their journey in their own words.
In my previous life, when I did a heart transplant, I helped one patient at a time. And now every moment, every idea, and everything you execute has the opportunity to help millions of patients. And that's incredibly motivating, gratifying. It's a real privilege. So Eupraxia has essentially a platform technology. So we have the ability to be able to create these almost sort of grains of sand that deliver using diffusion. Traditionally, this sort of drug delivery uses degradation. So it's quite imprecise and sort of has these peaks and troughs. And what we've been able to do is to be able to generate something that can deliver at a very steady state for a long period of time, and something that's very tunable. Co-founded Eupraxia in late 2012 after I left my clinical practice. Partnered with my co-founder Amanda Malone, our Chief Scientific Officer, with the goal of really changing the way we deliver drugs. These little microspheres, they deliver wherever we put them, and they stay wherever we put them. So what that means is that if you can see a tumor on imaging and you can get a needle into it, we can deliver the therapy there. And then once we're there, that drug will deliver at the rate that we want, at the dose that we want, for the period of time that we want. So this could mean 6 months, 1 year from a single injection. It's been a variety of things in a few different dimensions that we can be especially proud of. One of them is that we were actually the first biotech IPO onto the Toronto Stock Exchange Big Board in the last 18 years. What that capital did was enabled us to really vault to the next level in our clinical program with our osteoarthritis lead asset, and also has enabled us to be able to really expand our platform technology into other areas. So while our lead asset is in osteoarthritis, and we look to be able to have serious impact in gastrointestinal disease, in oncology, and a variety of other places where precision delivery and targeted delivery is incredibly important, both for outcomes as well as for safety and tolerability. Going from an operating room to a boardroom, I needed a lot of help. And it was amazing how in the BC community, how many people stepped up and were willing to take the time to answer my silly questions when I was lost and didn't know what I was doing. And that as we grow, we can hopefully give back to others the way we were given to when we were starting.
To accept the award on behalf of Eupraxia Pharmaceuticals, please help me in welcoming Dr. James Halliwell, CEO, to the stage.
Thank you, Anne. Thank you, Wendy, to Life Sciences BC for having everybody here. As you heard there, I left a clinical practice, when I look out at this room, what I see are all the people who actually helped. And it's absolutely incredible to have this kind of community around. So I have big thank you to Amanda Malone, my co-founder, who, when I went to her with the ideas, did not tell me I was an idiot. To Simon Pimstone, my chairman and good friend, who did tell me I could probably make better decisions than start a biotech company, but has been by my side absolutely every step of the way, keeping me out of potholes as much as he can. And to the rest of my board of directors, from John Montalbano, Richard Glickman, Paul Geyer, and Michael Wilmink, and so many people in this room. I'm just so grateful. This award is really for the incredible team that I have at Eupraxia, and for all of you who've helped. So I just want to say thank you very much, and to Life Sciences BC for just being an incredible support. So thank you.
Okay, congratulations, James, the entire Eupraxia team, and thank you, AbCellera, for presenting the award.